Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dome Speed Shop. On this episode, I'm going to show you some new power tool batteries from CEENR batteries. Let's check it out. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and welcome to the Dome Speed Shop. If you're new to my channel, thanks for checking me out. Now in this episode, I'm going to show you some new power tool batteries from the brand CEENR. They're a OEM replacement battery for your power tools. They offer a battery style like Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, Black & Decker, I think the Craftsman 20V line, and Ryobi. If I didn't say Ryobi already. Ryobi, there's another one for you. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you a quick unboxing, giving you my first impressions of it. We'll throw on the charger if need be, and we'll do some real world testing. So without further ado, delay, let's get it on. Alright, so over here on the bench of destruction, also known as my 5-drawer tool cart, got my new batteries. Let's open up, see what they look like. Here's box number 1 there for you. Go ahead and crack open box number 2. So, same brand. Apparently they're more proud of that one. But that's packaging. Who cares about packaging? Let's see what the brass tacks looks like inside the box. Now let's open up the brown box special here. Oh, okay, so box in a box. Alright, so let's see what this one is. Open her up. And this would be the 6-hour DeWalt replacement. Comes with the warranty claim form. If you care to actually warranty batteries out, something you'd want to fill out right away, send in. All the things they cover for warranty. If you want to pause the video because old shaky hands here. Got your power indicator right up front. Looks like we got 2 bars on the battery right off the skip. And function. There's an LED light back here. So that's a pretty cool feature. I'll read the directions here in a second, figure out how to work that. Now, upon reading the manual, these guys have a 3-year warranty from date of purchase. So that's pretty good. Haven't figured out how to turn the light on, but you know, figure it out later on in the video here. And we'll go ahead and open up the other battery. And this is a 6-hour replacement for Ryobi. Also has an LED light in back here that I'll figure out at some point today. Or no, there's the LED light. What year is it? What planet is this? Oh, there's your charge indicator, which is actually pretty sweet. Beefier battery than I got for my Ryobi already, but this is a 6-hour. My other battery is a 2-hour, so that's why that's a much stouter battery. That just fell into the abyss. Not cool. All right, so onward. And hey guys, if you click the link down below, you'll get 15% off your order using code DOMESPEED. Don't forget to check it out. All right, so we got our 2 CEENR batteries. You got your 20V for the DeWalt. Got your 18V for the Ryobi. Both 6-hour batteries. Now the competitors, you got your 6-hour DeWalt. And because I don't have that big of a Ryobi battery, my only battery is this one. Got your 1.5 Ryobi 18V. So, obviously, on the Ryobi side, the Ryobi is a much bigger battery. The hour and a half on the Ryobis don't give you a power indicator. So that's something. I know the bigger batteries like the 2 hour and, 13, 14 hour, whatever they go up to, have the power indicator on them. But only difference on those is that's up here. On your CEENR battery, power indicator's back here, which I still really like how the how it displays on this. That's just me. And the front, where on this guy would have the power display, you got your LED light. So that's pretty cool. Now that makes a lot more sense than how they have the DeWalt setup. So here's your comparison of the two DeWalt batteries. 6 hour to 6 hour. Now it doesn't show on video very well, but massive size difference. Your two 6 hours for DeWalt. On camera it doesn't show up as well, but this guy is a much, we'll say girthier sitting battery. That sort of shows how much wider and thicker it is. The footprint's much bigger is what I'm trying to say. You got your power indicator on the DeWalt back here. As on the CEENR up front. Now, something the CEENR did that I kind of a head scratcher is the LEDs on the back side of the battery. I don't get that one. I would have put the LED up front. That's just my my 2 cents though. Obviously DeWalt just has front clip, no light on it. She works. This battery's from 24, so not necessarily an old battery either. Now CEENR battery uses LG battery cells inside their batteries, whereas DeWalt uses Samsung battery cells. Both great battery cells. They work just fine. Just different brands, different manufacturers. Same old song and dance. It's every power tool battery out there. Now that's been my first impressions of these batteries. Let's see how they actually perform in real life activity. Alright, so for this first test, I'm going to be testing the Ryobi batteries. I'm going to be using my Ryobi leaf blower. I'm going to blow some of this leaves and stuff left over from the beginning of spring here. We're going to be testing the OEM Ryobi battery first. And pretty early on, this battery's already starting to fade. Probably mostly because it's an hour and a half battery. And this is a high draw tool. Regardless, not holding up too well. Let's see how the CEENR battery works. Alright, so this is the CEENR 6 hour battery. We're going to slap it in. Now, while I am comparing a 6 hour battery to an hour and a half battery, significant difference in this guy. I was debating holding on to this leaf blower, but good battery is really making a difference in this one. We'll say it doesn't, we'll say it actually blows. And now if you're sitting there thinking, why is this guy doing on a car channel talking about battery and a leaf blower? Hate to break it to you, but you can use a leaf blower as the track to cool your engine. If you have a cordless leaf blower, we can lock the throttle on. All you do is put that thing in front of the radiator or engine, or point it at the engine. Pick whatever you want to do. And airflow, obviously to the engine and all that, helps cool it down between runs. Little hat trick. Alright, so for our next test, we're going to test the 6-hour DeWalt versus 6-hour CEENR battery. Going to be using the DeWalt 1/2 inch, well, Mac tools, but DeWalt rebranded. BWP 152 1/2 inch impact. Got the appropriate size lug nut, 13/16 socket on here. Gonna let her rip. So first off, let's check the Old Faithful. So we got the red and yellow combo. DeWalt battery. Let's give her a rip on this lug nut. Didn't even blink at it. So now we know this one, that lug nut's nice and tight. Let's try it with the CEENR battery. Clicks in like it should. Battery lights up. Battery indicator lights up like it should. Let's give her a rip. And she rips just like she's supposed to. Now, since that's a fairly mild test, and you know what? Leaf blowers are a good drain on batteries. Let's break out the DeWalt leaf blower. Alright, so we're back. We got our DeWalt brushless XR leaf blower. Part number on this guy is DCBL720. Not the newest model, not the oldest model. It blows a lot of wind. So, first off, we're going to be testing out the 6-hour DeWalt battery. See how she blows. Now we'll comment the DeWalt 6-hour battery, fairly snug in there, but she works. So as you see, no crazy battery fade or anything. Battery works just as it should for the DeWalt application. And clicks right out, no problem. Now let's try out this new CEENR brand battery and see how she holds up. Once again, 6-hour battery, and you saw how my bars are on it. And it feels and reacts just as stout as the DeWalt battery. Pretty good. After doing the testing I've done, do I think the batteries are worth the cost difference between DeWalt and CEENR? Absolutely. I do think it's kind of cool that they have the light built into the battery. Like the indicator. I haven't had any issues with the batteries getting stuck in the tool. I used them more than what was just on camera. Finished pulling off the driveway mostly. Kind of turned into a leaf blower testing episode on top of it, but that's besides the point. Batteries hold their own pretty well. I didn't experience anything like the batteries getting warm. Anything spectacular like that. So yeah, this has been my testing on the new CEENR batteries. Budget alternative to the DeWalt batteries or the Ryobi batteries, the OEM manufacturers. Good price break over the OEMs. Differences, I think DeWalt has a 3-year warranty as well as CEENR. Ryobi kind of escapes me, I don't remember. I'll put it up there. Once again, I was testing a 1.5 hour battery versus a 6 hour, so a little disadvantage there, but there's still an 18 volt battery set for Ryobi tools. DeWalt, I went 6 hour to 6 hour, no crazy difference there. Like I said, the biggest difference between these two that I noticed was definitely the size difference in the batteries. The CEENR is a lot slimmer, not as bulky as a tool. Slight difference in weight actually as well. The DeWalt feels a lot heavier, CEENR doesn't, which matters over time during extended use of tools. As anyone in the trades know, anyone who uses these batteries day in, day out, a little bit of weight savings makes a huge difference in the forearms and the back and the knuckles and the knees at the end of the day. CEENR did send me out these batteries to test out, review for this battery for this video. But I would pick up a few more if I was looking for more batteries as well. Great alternative to the OEMs, and I didn't have any issues with them. Well, this has been my review on the CEENR batteries for DeWalt and Ryobi. They make a Milwaukee, they make a Makita, they make Black & Decker and Craftsman as well. They also have this cool battery platform called the PD Nation, where it's one universal battery and the top adapters come on and off for multiple uses. If you guys want to see me review one of those batteries, leave a comment down below, and maybe I'll go about reviewing one of those as well. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with another tool friend. Comment down below if you would consider getting one of these batteries. This has been Nick from the Dome Speed Shop, and we'll see you next time.